class 10th, we will be doing further problems on matrix, and I have picked up all the questions which have come mostly in your board examination. You will notice that we are dealing mostly of the matrix of the order 2 into 2. Most of the questions which I'll do I've picked up from the boards only, questions which have come into the board examinations, and mostly you will notice that we have the matrices of the order 2 into 2. There can be some time variations like matrix of the order 3 into 2 and 2 into 3, but that is very rare. Otherwise, generally you will come across the matrix of the order 2 into 2. You know what order of the matrix is. Order of the matrix is number of rows into number of columns. And the other thing is that when is the matrix multiplication possible? When the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. But if they are square matrix of the same order, like you're dealing with all the matrices which I have written here, matrices which I have written here from question 1 to 5 are of the order 2 into 2. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything is possible. Addition and subtraction is only possible if they are of the same order, and multiplication is only possible if number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. And here, because they are the square matrix of the order 2 into 2, so matrix multiplication will definitely be possible. They are very simple questions. You will notice them, there is nothing to bother, and this is one of the most simple topics in your syllabus. We have done a lot of work on this, and we are going to do further on that, and you will have no problem in calculating any question of matrices. Let us take question number 1, in which he has given you a matrix M 2 0 1 2 and 2 0 minus 1 2, and he wants you to find M plus 2n. So he wants to find M plus 2n. Actually, in this we are using the two processes. One is addition and one is scalar multiplication. 2n is a scalar multiplication. What is M? The matrix M is 1 2 0 1 2 plus 2 into n. N is same, but except here it is minus 2 0 minus 1 2. Now let us see what can we do. First of all, we have to do the scalar multiplication, and then we will add them. It is a very simple question. There is no difficulty in this, no complications in this. 2 2s are 4, 2 0 minus 2, 2 2s are 4. You multiply each element of the matrix by the scalar which is given outside. For example, 2 is given here, so 2 will multiply each element of the matrix. 2 2s are 4, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 2s are 4. Then simply you add. What is the process of adding? Process of adding is very simple. Corresponding elements of the two matrices, or whatever the number of matrices are given here, only two matrices are given, so their corresponding elements will be added. For example, 2 plus 4 is 6, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, and 2 and 4 is 6. So this is your matrix M plus 2n. M plus 2n. Whatever is the order of M and n will be the order of M plus 2n as well. If it is of the order 2 into 2, then the order of the final matrix will be also 2 into 2 only. Let us see question number 2. In question number 2, he has given compute 3a plus 4b. Again, he is asking you to do the scalar multiplication and then addition. 3a plus 4b. This is question number 2. 3, the value of a is 1 4 2 3 plus 4, the value of b is 1 2 3 minus 1. 1 2 3 minus 1. Again, scalar multiplication means each each element of the matrix will be multiplied by the corresponding scalar. 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3a plus 4b. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12, minus 4. Now let us add the corresponding element. Let us add the corresponding elements. For example, it will become 3 plus 4, 7, 12 plus 8, 20, 6 plus 12, 18, and 9 minus 4 will be 5. So I have got 3a plus 4b. I've got 7, I've got 20, 18 and 5. 3a plus 4b. It's very, very simple. There is no complication in these questions. Simple addition, simple multiplication. Let us see question number 3. Let's see question number 3. It says this is the two matrices. Addition of two matrices is equal to the third matrix, and we have to calculate x and y. It is given x minus 2, 5, 3, 7 is equal to 4, 2, y, 5 plus minus 4, 1, minus 1, 2. So we are going to add the right hand side matrix first. Two matrices are given. Let us add the right hand side matrices. That is 4 minus 4 is 0, 2 plus 1 is 3, y minus 1, and 5 plus 2, 7. And here it is x minus 2, 5, 3 and 7. We had discussed already the equality of matrices. Two matrices will be equal if their corresponding elements are equal. So x minus 2 will be 0, number 1. That will imply x is equal to 2. 5 cannot be equal to 3. There has to be something wrong. Either this element has to be 3. It can't be, 5 can't be equal to 3. It has to be 3. It has to be 3 equal to 3. And like 7 is equal to 7. And second one is 3 is equal to y minus 1. That will imply 3 plus 1 is equal to y, or y is equal to 4. So we have got the value same. We've got the value same. It is not 5 to write it as 3, because 2 plus 1 should be the same as right hand side. Now let us see question number 4. He has given matrix B and C. He wants to find B minus C. He wants to find B minus C subtraction. B is 2 minus 3 minus 4 and 5. Minus C means 1 minus 3 minus 4 and 4. So we have to find B minus C. We have to find B minus C. 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4 5 minus 4. It will be 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 3 plus 3 will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 1. This is an identity matrix. This is a unit matrix or an identity matrix where the principal diagonal elements are unit. Principal diagonal elements start from the top left to the bottom right. Principal diagonal elements start from the top left to the bottom right, and the rest of the elements are 0. So this is of the matrix of the order 2 into 2, in which the principal diagonal elements are unit and the remaining elements are 0. So it is a unit matrix. Now let us see question number 5. A 3 4 2 plus 2 B 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 C is equal to 5073. 5073. It is a matrix equation, because whenever there is left hand side and right hand side, it is a matrix equation. We want to find out the value of A, B and C, which are unknown in this. Well, let us solve this. Corresponding elements: A plus 2 minus 1, A plus 2 minus 1, the first element of the first element of the second, first element of the third. Then 3 plus B minus 1, the same, second element from here, second element from here, second element from here. Then this element 4 plus 1 plus 2 minus will become plus 2, 2 minus 2 minus C is equal to 5073. It is equal to 5073. So it will become A plus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, B plus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7, and 2 minus 2 will cancel, minus C will be equal to 5073. Now you will see the two matrices which are equal, their corresponding element should be equal. So what we do is, number 1, A plus 1 is equal to 5. That will imply A is equal to 4, 5 minus 1. Number 2, B plus 2 is 0, implies B is equal to minus 2. 7 is equal to 7, and the third one is minus 3C is equal to 3. That means C is equal to minus 3. So you got the value of A as 4, B as minus 2, and C as minus 3. In question number 6, I have a matrix equation where I have to calculate the value of X and Y. Let me write down the question for you. It is 2 into 3x 0 1 plus 3 into 1 3 by 2 is equal to Z minus 7 15 8. Now we are going to combine the left side. There are two matrices. We have to combine them into a single matrix. First of all, we are going to do the multiplication, scalar multiplication. Then we add them, and then we equate the matrices. Like it is 2 3s are 6, 2x 0 and 2 plus 3 1 are 3, 3 9, 3y and 6 is equal to Z minus 7 15 8. Now let us add up these two matrices. It will become 6 plus 3 9, 2x plus 9, 0 plus 3y, and 2 plus 6 is 8 is equal to Z minus 7 15 and 8. We told you the two matrices, the condition for equality of the matrices is the two matrices are said to be equal to each other if their corresponding elements are equal. So we will equate their corresponding element. Like in the first case, 9 is equal to Z, that implies Z is equal to 9. Number 2, 2x plus 9 is equal to minus 7. That implies 2x is equal to minus 16. 9 you will transfer to that side, it will become minus 9, minus 7 will become minus 16. So that will imply x is equal to minus 8. Number 3, 3y will be equal to 15 will imply y is equal to 5. And of course 8 is equal to 8. So x is minus 8, y is 5 and z is 9. That is what we calculated from here. Matrix multiplication, then addition, then equality. So 3 basic principles we have used. Matrix multiplication we did first, then we did addition of the 2 matrices, and then we equated the 2 matrices. Equality of 2 matrices. 2 matrices are equal to each other if their corresponding elements are equal. This is question number 6. Let us see now question number 7. It is 2, 1, 5, 0 minus 3x is equal to minus 7, 4, 2, 6. He wants you to find the matrix X. These are the 2 matrices of the order 2 into 2. That means the matrix X will be of the same order. So let me assume that matrix for your simplification. Let me assume that matrix to be A, B, C, D. Obviously this matrix is of the same order. It is of the same order as these 2 matrices. And then we'll calculate the value of A, B, C, D, so that then we can say what is the value of matrix X. Can be done otherwise also. There is no problem without assuming that to be so. Now it will be 2 and minus 3a. Then 1 minus 3b. 5 minus 3c and 0 minus 3d is equal to minus 7, 4, 2 and 6. Now let us equate the corresponding elements, like 2 minus 3a is equal to minus 7. That will imply minus 3a will be equal to minus 9. 2 will be transferred to that side. It will become minus 7 minus 2, 9. And that means a is equal to 3. Number 2. 1 minus 3b is equal to 4. Or minus 3b is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 will be 3. So b will be equal to minus 1. Third one. 5 minus 3c is equal to 2. So that will imply minus 3c will be equal to minus 3. 2 minus 5 will become minus 3. So c will become equal to 1. And then the fourth one will be 0 minus 3d is equal to 6, or d will be equal to minus 2. So you got the value of a as 3, value of b as minus 1, c as 1 and d as minus 2. So what will be the matrix ABCD? It is 3, minus 1, 1 and minus 2. This is the matrix X. We wanted to find the value of the matrix X. So X is 3 minus 1, 1 and minus 2. We have got the matrix X. Now let us do question number 8. Question number 8 is, now it is the only question in which the order of the matrix is different and they are not a square matrix. A is given to be 1 minus 2, 1, 2, 1 and 3, and B is given to be 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. Number of rows into number of columns, 2 into 3. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. Here there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So we told you that is the matrix multiplication A into B is possible. Can we multiply matrix A with B because the order of the matrix is different? Number of columns, I had told you earlier also, this is here. This is the same. This is the same, 3 into 3. So this is possible. The matrix multiplication is possible. And what will be the order of the final matrix? What is left here? 2. What is left here? 2. So the answer will be of the order 2 into 2. We will see it. Let us find out A into B. Let us find A into B. First row into first column. The elements of the first row will be multiplied with the corresponding elements of the first column. 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 1. Then first row into second column. 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Then second row, first column. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Then 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, second row, second column. What is the final order? 2 into 2. I told you that 3 is gone. What is left? 2 into 2. The order of the final product will be the same. Let us calculate what it is. It is 2 minus 6 plus 1. 1 minus 4 plus 1. 4 plus 3 plus 3. 2 plus 2 plus 3. That will be minus 3 minus 2, 10, 7. This is 2 into 2. Order of the final matrix A into B is 2 into 2. We told you that we check. How do we check? Check the second element from here. Number of columns. Number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to number of rows of the second matrix. Number of rows means first. So second element here, first element here, if they are same, then matrix multiplication is possible. And whatever will be left, like 2 is left here and 2 is left here, so 2 into 2 will be the order of the final matrix. We have seen that. We have got. Now he's saying you have calculated A into B. Is it possible to calculate B into A? Is it possible to calculate B into A? Let me write A here again. What is A? 1 minus 2, 1, 2, 1 and 3. The order of this matrix is 2 into 3. Now let us see whether this is possible or not. Again we will check. Now we are multiplying B into A. That means we have to take the B matrix as the first matrix. So here the 2 is here and here also 2 is there. So this is possible. Number of columns in B are 2. Number of columns in B are 2 and number of rows in A are 2. So if number of columns in the first is equal to number of rows in the second, then matrix multiplication is possible. And what will be the order of the final product? 3 into 3. It will be 3 into 3. Like we calculated here 2 into 2. Here 3 into 3 will be there. You will just see it. Now let me calculate B into A. Let me calculate B into A. Whenever you have to calculate B into A, please write B first and A later. For your simplification, you are going to make a mistake otherwise. B into A. B should be written first and then A. So you must do it that way. B into A. That is why I wrote A second again from here. 2, first row into first column. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. First row into first column. Then first row into second column. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1. Then 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Rows into column. Then second row into first column. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2. 3 into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into 1. Then 3 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Then 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2. The same process will be followed, 1 into 2. Then 1 into 1 plus 1 into, 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1, and then 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3. So the order of this matrix will be 3 into 3. The order of this matrix is 3 into 3. Let us solve it. 2 plus 2 minus 4 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, minus 6 plus 2, 3 plus 6, 1 plus 2, minus 2 plus 1, 1 plus 3. That will be 4 minus 3, 5, 7, minus 4, 9, 3, minus 1 and 4. So this is the matrix B into A. We calculated A into B, then we calculated B into A. Question number 9 involves the trigonometric ratios. 5 into 1 sine 0, 0, 10, 45, 1, 1, minus 3, 1, sec 30, minus 2, 3, and 3 cos 0. First of all these values you should remember, then only we can solve this question. Sine 0 is 0, 1045 is 1, 1, 1. Minus 3, sec 30, opposite of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so 2 by root 3. Minus 2, 3, and minus 3, 3. And cos 0 is 1. The value of cos 0 is 1. Now, it is 5, 0, 0, 5, 5, 5, and multiply with 3, 3 1s are 3, sec 3 into 2 upon root 3. So you can write root 3, it can be root 3, 2 root 3. And this is minus 6 plus 6 actually, no, minus 6. And 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So it will be 5 minus 3, 2, 0 minus 2 root 3, 0 plus 6 is 6, 5 minus 9 is minus 4, 5 minus 9 is minus 4, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have got the value of the matrix as 5 minus 2 root 3, 6 minus 4 minus 4, 2. Let us see the last question 10. In question number 10 we have A, B, C. We have to calculate C, B minus A. Let us calculate first B minus A. B is 2132, 2132 minus A. The value of A is 1223. 1, 2, 2, 3. So let us calculate b minus a. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 2 minus 3 is minus 1. This is b minus a. Then let us multiply c into b minus a. The value of c is 1, 3, 3, 1, and b minus a is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Let's multiply 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1, 1 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1, 3 into 1 plus 1 into 1, 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. And minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. You can take out 4 common. It will be left 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Good, does not make any difference. But actually b minus a is this. It's okay. 4 into b minus a. Thank you.